Hello. Okay. Today again we are going to talk about uh, the different set of computer science. It was also asked in 2079 by the PABSON. This is a discussion from the group A. So very short answer question. So first is where does internet has been used or is used? So internet as it stands for internal network. Mostly it is used in private organization, schools, colleges, banks, where the privacy matters. Right into any two benefits of cloud computing. Uh, when you talk about the cloud computing, so there are multiple benefits, many benefits. Uh, First, we can say that we can share, we can upload the files, and second, there we can provide services like the application infrastructure, etc. Which data type we use is to date of birth of an employee in MS Access. Okay, that is date and time. So date and time, it is a data type, and it is to store the whole date of birth of an employee. Write into data types using MS Access database. Number, yes, no, yes, these are. What are procedure in QBasic? Procedure means a separate a program to dependent main model. It contains its own variables, inputs, outputs, statements, and whenever we need that, we call it from the any other procedure. Right into features in C language. So C language it has many features. First feature it can be it supports structure programming, which dividing the main program into multiple segments and writing the code for that. And next is the it supports memory management program, means we can write a program to manage the memory efficiently. Next is a technical term. So the protocol that makes the network communication possible. So we can guess it or what is the answer here, obviously. So there are many protocols. So most popularly actually to have communication we use TCP/IP. Detail marks created while using internet. Detail footprint we can say that. Next we have here uh, ISDN full form and the TCP/IP. ISDN it stands for Integrated Services Detail Network, and the TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol slash Internet Protocol. Okay, now let's jump to next. Difference between peer-to-peer and client-server network with figure. So in peer-to-peer what happens? Uh, Name is peer-to-peer. Whenever we connect the computers in networking in this peer-to-peer architecture, then all the computers they can be used uh, as both client as well as server. So security is less. Uh, we can share the information easily. We can use the normal computer, normal OS. That's all. Whereas in client server network, actually, we have to make particular computer as a server. We have to use particular or specific OS as a server, and that server it provides a service to all other connected computers, like maybe the login, profile, security, etc. Next is what is cyber ethics. Give any two examples of it. Cyber ethics means some good moral principles uh, used while using the computer. Any two examples can be there. Don't use computer to harm the people. And next, it can be don't use computer to steal the informations. Next is what is software security? Any two measures of software security. Software security simply says that secure the software from the misuse, damage, illicit data from the unauthorized access, etc. Any two measures of software security is we have to update it time to time. And next is here um, we can put the password um, if it is not in. Yes. Define e-commerce. Next, software security can also be the not to use pirated software. Define e-commerce. That is important. E-commerce simply says that uh, selling and buying of goods or the products using internet and the paying online. So that is e-commerce. What are the importances? Importance is there. We don't need to go market. So we don't need to show our physical presence. Just so we can search there. Thousands of varieties can be there. We can search easily in same portal in same place. Just ordering cannot be. It's not needed there. And online we can pay it. So that is importance. Next is why mobile computing necessary in present time. That into importances. Mobile computing uh, simply accessing all the informations and performing the task using our mobile phone or each other portable devices like a mobile phone or the tablet. It can be there because it is difficult to carry the desktop computers every time. So these smaller devices it makes that uh, comfortable, and thus we can carry anywhere. We can use data to go online, and we can go for the transactions. We can pay that, we can book that, yes, etc. So why actually mobile computing is needed? Not only that, but it is also helpful uh, to promote the businesses, to sell the products, to buy the products. So without it being present in particular location, so that is also a benefit of mobile computing. Differentiate between primary key and foreign key with example. Primary key in database, whenever we have multiple fields, and we have to make particular field as a primary key, and that field stores unique value and it cannot be repeated. uh, Foreign key, when you talk about, so it is that field which is used to connect two or more tables, and to uh, connect the tables, that mostly the fields must be common in two tables. So that's called foreign key. But it is not necessary that mean that actually foreign key it cannot have duplicate values. Foreign key means just connect the tables uh, for those fields which is common, and actually that field is taken from the another table. What is query? List any two advantages of it. Query, it is an object. uh, it is an object in MS Access, and it is used to access the information easily. Yes. List any two advantages of using it. So when we talk about query, uh, we can also use query to perform some operations. like deleting the data, updating the data, performing some other calculations. For that also we can use it. Define form, that's its importance. Form. Form, it is also an object in MS Access. Yes, and uh, and that form it is used in the database to enter the data to the table easily. So its importance can be there. It provides a powerful interface, user-friendly interface. Uh, we can customize the layouts. Let's say it makes our work automated. The security and permissions also can be maintained there. And one another thing is there, we can navigate the record easily. So that is about the form. Next is there data sorting. So when we talk about the data sorting, what is the meaning of data sorting here? Data sorting means uh, when we arrange our data records, data sorting means arranging the data in particular order, and we can do it easily. And two advantages there. Uh, it is numerous things that advantages. The first advantage there, um, fast data retrieval after data sorting. Uh, we can organize the data in better way. So, and obviously it also supports enhanced reporting. Yes. Next, it can be the decision making. Yes, for quick decision making, we can also use this sorted data, etc. We have two types of data sorting. First is ascending and second is descending. So in this way, we can either answer these all the questions. Uh, so having 2 marks. So next is we have used diagram table to know the output of this program. So let's go for it. Just copying now this program. Okay, just make table here now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go for it. Okay, now in diagram table, first is x equals to 1. Yes, 1 is here. Y is 2 here. Loop. First p equals to 1, true, condition being true. So what it does there is it is going to print x. So it first prints 1 find there. Yes. So what is the value of now? X equal to x plus y. X equals to x plus y. X equal to x plus y. So it gives x equal to x, that is 1 plus y. Y is 2, so that is 3. Now what is the value of y equals to y plus 1? 1. So y is there 2. So y equals to 2 plus 1 giving us 3. Yes or no? Yes. So now in next iteration. So next iteration what is the value of x? It becomes 3. So y it becomes 3. P it becomes 2. That is true again. So what is going to print? Print x means 3. It prints 3 here. Now what is the value of x equal to x plus y? So x equals to x. X is 3. So 3 plus y. Y is 3. 3 equals to 6. Now here y equals to y plus 1. Y is 3. 3 plus 1. So that gives us 4. Now next iteration, x becomes 6. Y it becomes 4. P becomes 3. It is again true since loop moves 1 to 10. So x it is going to be now 6. X equal to x plus y. X is 6 plus y is 4 equals to 10. What is value of y? Y equals to y plus 1. So y is 4 plus 1, so that is 5. Again value of x changes here. So what is x now? This x is 10. So 10 comes here. Y it becomes 5. P it becomes 3. After 3 it becomes 4. Again true. So print x. X is 10. It prints 10 there. So x equals to x plus y. X is 10 plus y. Y is 5. So it is 15. Y equals to y plus 1. That is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Y equals to y plus 1. Y is 5. 6. Okay, fine. Now in next iteration x becomes okay 15. So what is y here? 6 here. P equals to 5. It is true. Now x is 15. So x is now x plus y. So x is 15. Y is 6. 21. So what is y? Y equals to 5 plus 1. Y plus 1. Y is 6 plus 1. That is 7. Okay. Now next situation, yes, p is moving 10 times, so it becomes, now x becomes 21, y it becomes 7, p it becomes 6, again true. Now print x 21, x equals to x plus y 21 plus y 7, so 28, y equals to 7 plus 1 8. Okay, now next time x becomes 28, y is 8, p is option 6 7, again true. X is 28, x is 28 plus y, y is 8, so 36, y equals to y plus 1 8 plus 1 9. Next time x becomes here 36, y is here 9, p is here 8, again true. So x is now 36, now x is there 36 plus y is there 9 equals to 45, y equals to y is 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, now in next situation it is x is 45, y is 10, p is 9, again true. So x is 45, x equals to x plus y, x is 45 plus y is 10 equals to 55, y equals to y plus y plus 1, so that is y is 10 11. Okay, next x it becomes now 55, y is 11, p equals to 10, true. X is 55 equals to x plus y, x plus y means 55, y 11, so it is 66, y equals to 12, so now x becomes 66, y 12, p equals to 11, it becomes, so it becomes now false. So the output is it. So let's copy it. Output is a 1. It is there is semicolon. So same line it prints there 1, then 3, then 6, then 10, then 15, then 21, then 28, 36, 36, 45, 55. Okay, so this is the output of program. Okay, to verify it, let's run the program using the interpreter. Let's paste it. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is the output we can see on the screen, and it is same output as we have got here. So it's a very simple program. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Sixth number is here, finding the box. So what are the box here? Let's say store record in a data file, CLS, open implemented for input. To store also, so first is your input. So this is the first mistake. Let's underline it. Address center. So next mistake is here. Here is mistake. Next is a.t. Here is also. Similarly here also. Y dollar goes to Y. So here is loop is missing. Next is here. So these all are the mistakes are done in this. We have to correct it. And also the name cannot be a number, so an s is given there, so we have to make it $sign because it is a string. So all others are okay. So we can correct it and we can write it. Next is and answer the given questions. uh, what is the main objective of our program? So what is the main objective here? Len to 1 step minus 1. So it is reversing the string. Yes, and that is the objective. List all parameters used in our program. So what are the parameters? Okay, so this is the real parameter. Yes, $, and next is the n dollar formal parameter. So these are the parameters we have used. So these are the very simple conversions, we can do it. Now let's write these 9 equations into data row my cowl's area using function and parameter, and this type of program we have already done that. As store data under the field heading roll number, and this type of program we have not done. We have already written this type of program in previous video. Once you watch the previous video, sum of odd numbers from 92 as the same program we did yesterday, day before yesterday, and the final greatest and the smallest. So we have already done this. I hope you also about this one. If you have any questions, then let me know them. Okay. Uh, so again tomorrow we'll talk about some more questions there and its answers. And if any new questions we find there, we'll solve it easily. Mostly the QSC programs and short answers, long answer questions. Thank you. And if you have any query questions, let me know them. And if you want to discuss on particular topic, so I'll be happy. So thank you. Take care. Join me tomorrow. Share with your friends if this video was helpful.